Join with computer audio. Good morning. Okay. Good morning, all. How are we doing today? My apologies. Mr. Moore was signed into the first hour meeting because I'm kind of dumb some days. So, at any rate, welcome, fifth hour. It's a B-day. Okay. Everybody who is in the meeting, please put some sort of thing in the chat like hello or what's up or whatever. All right, beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and get fired up on the stuff. Here's the good news, guys. We're not really adding anything. We're not really adding anything to what we already did earlier this week. I'm going to be focusing on questions and any challenges that you may have. Because we already went through all of the new material the other day. So let's see here. We'll get this fired up. Polynomials and factoring. Start sharing a screen. Yay. Okay. Can everybody see the slideshow? Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, no, maybe so. Yes. Okay. So you should already have this done. If you weren't here Monday, or not Monday, if you weren't here Tuesday, you owe me this mandatory ed puzzle. Then, of course, you owe me these ed puzzles. They are due by 5 a.m. this morning. And so then you have these delta maths that need to be done. They should have been done by 5 a.m. this morning. Addition, subtraction, those are due Monday. Monomial multiplication Monday. And then you know what? We're going to leave that part till Wednesday. But if you want to get ahead, you should already know how to do this because we went through this slide, slide number 8. We actually went through it on Wednesday. So, so if you want to get ahead for this coming week, by all means, start working on slide number 8. But of course, as always, I mean, in this class, you know the drill. You really want to be ahead, keep on trucking. So with that, let me talk about one thing real quickly, and then I will open the floor to some questions. First things first, some folks have been asking me about how to do exponents. So if I wanted to do exponents, like if I want x cubed, okay, I'm going to do x, then I'm going to hit this caret key. The way I get to that caret key is shift and the number 6. Shift and the number 6. It also works on any of your calculators that you see that little up arrow sign. It works on that just the same way. So we'd say x cubed. And when it does that, it'll actually, when you do that, it will actually make it look like that guy right there. So those two things are equal. So use this little up caret sign and it'll go to this. Now, one thing to think about once you are in Delta Math is hit that arrow key to move it over to bring it down out of the superscript so that it goes back to being a regular cursor. All right, so with that in mind, does anybody have questions? I'm going to need a yes or a no. So throw a question in the chat or, heaven forbid, talk to me. All right. No, no. No, no, no. Okay, here's my next question. What slide have you completed? I want an answer from everybody. What number slide have you completed or are you working on? What slide number have you completed or are you working on? Seven. The one due Wednesday. Perfect. Perfect. The one due Wednesday. Awesome. 7. Okay, so you guys used your time wisely. Okay, does anybody need me to go over any examples? Because I'm happy to do that. Okay, does anybody need anything reset? Any Edpuzzles reset? If so, either list them here or put them in email. I'll be happy to get to them out of email. I mean, because I was gone yesterday, I don't really want to push ahead because I think I would be pushing the other half of the classes too far. And so go ahead. You guys could technically finish up through slide 9 if you wanted. Okay, I would not do slide number 10 yet because I don't know that we're going to do slide number 10. Okay. But you'll notice that gets us kind of almost, that gets us through a big chunk of next week. So with that in mind, oh, hey, by the way, Thursday and Friday of next week, I am at a teacher conference. So make sure you're here on Monday to get all the good stuff. Make sure you're here on Monday or Tuesday, whichever day is your day. And Wednesday. So make sure first half of the week next week is basically where we're going to do our work. All right. If that's the case, guys, feel free to get to work. Enjoy your Friday. Make sure it's all done. I would really love to start with some great grades coming right out of the gate this week. Thanks, guys. If you have any questions, by the way, hang on and I'll be happy to take any questions from anybody.